LeetCode problem number 21, Java solution, merge two sorted linked lists. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Now back to the problem. Like you are given a sorted linked list, two sorted linked lists, like in this case 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 4. You need to merge them like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So you can reuse the nodes. You don't have to recreate the new linked lists with new created nodes, but you can just reuse them, but you need to arrange the links in such a way that you merge the two sorted input linked lists. Now let us take a look at the Java solution. So this is the Java definition of the node, and as I discussed before in the previous video, so you create a dummy node for linked lists and use that as a sentinel node to stitch the combined linked list together and then return dummy.next at the end. So you loop until both of them are not equals to null, and if list 1's value is less than list 2 value, you set the tail.next equals to list 1. Here, even though it is a complete entire list, it's also a node as well. So because of the list1.next is what makes it a linked list. So you tail.next you assign to list 1, and then list 1 you move by one pointer by assigning list1.next to list 1. Else you do the same thing for list 2, tail.next equals list 2, and then move the list 2 by assigning list2.next to list 2, and then you move the tail also, tail equals to tail.next, and this basically takes care of when both of them are not null. And now one of them, they don't have to have equal number of nodes, so even if they are equal number of nodes, there might be one node left at the end. So that's what you just stitch the remainder of whichever one which is still standing, which is in this while loop, which is one, because we exited this while loop because one of them became null, and so the other one is remaining. So just attach that to the tail.next and then return dummy.next. So that's the solution. And so in this case, like 5, 10, 15, 6, 7, 8. So because 5 is less than 6, you pick 5 from list 1, and then you compare 6 and 10, so you pick 6 from list 2, and then you pick 7 and 10, so you still pick 7 from list 2, and then 8 pick from list 2, and then it is over. Now you basically stitch the list 1 in this case is not equals to null, so you attach tail.next, tail is pointing to 8, and then tail.next you attach it to this link, basically 10 and 15 link you attach, and that's how it becomes a merged linked list. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.